Unbelievable collection of electronic components. Let's explore our electronic world. I have collection of 500 components. I am show only 40 plus components, it's just a trailer. I show full movie when my 3000 subscribers are complete. Let's go, go, go. TFT display, Mega Arduino Uno, ultrasonic sensor, joystick sensor, time module, ISD 1820, servo controller, 16x8 matrix display, Arduino Nano, wireless relay, BT module, motion sensor, servo motor, pulse module, and LCD display.
Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for new updates.